Let me show you guys on how you can easily create a new trading account on what on your SNEST account. What you need to do, sometimes you may have some previous one, you may have some one you are using before. This one is the sent account, but if you want to create a new fresh one, all right, what you need to do, all right, is to just come to this area. All right, you have to just come to this particular area, all right, to create a new one. You can see my arrow, create a new one. Then you click on this open a new account. Open is very, very important so that you can be, then you come to standard. All right, this is standard account. Then you have to select either MT4 or MT5. Well, I recommend MT5. MT5 is very, very simple to to operate. MT5. Then don't select demo. No, don't select demo. All right, this is a real account. Make sure your account is on real. This one is correct. Then the leverage, you can reduce to 1.5. The leverage this one is maximum leverage. Either 1.5 is okay for a beginner. 1.5 leverage, yes. Yeah, this one is moderate. Then you're gonna try to click on this area called, all right, which is, all right, 1.5 or 1 point, it depends on you. All right, it's just in the educational something. You click on continue. Then you have to just type in your password. All right, make sure your password has a capital letter. All right, I've already put my own password. I just show you a sample. Create. That's all. You are already create your MT5. All right, your MT5 account. This is your account number. All right, this is your account number. Then if you want to log into your on your MT5 app, all right, you come to this area. You are going to see your details, the password you use to create account. All right, this is your login, MT5 number, and this is your server. All right, you now copy this particular server right now. Copy it like this. You now go back to your Play Store and download MT5 on Play Store. Let me show you. This is your Play Store. You now click on search, download MT5. This is MT5. Let me just even update my own MT5. I will update it. Let me pause the video. All right, I've already update. I'll now click on this open it. All right, once you open it, it may look like this. All right, or you need to just click on either the plus sign to log into your own account. Let me show you real quick right now. Let me show you. Just come to this area, click on that area. All right, click on that area on your left hand side here. Click on that manage accounts. All right, I may not show you all the area because of the security reason. Then I will now click on this plus sign. Click on that plus sign. Then you can see different server. I've already the server. Let me show you the server you are going to copy. This is the server you are going to copy. This particular server you just see. You copy that server. You now go back to that area again. You now paste that particular server you copy. You now search. You now search here. All right, it's very simple. You now search for, make sure it's 30. The server you copy is 30. You can see the server is 30. Then go back to your account to recheck it. You can see the server is 30. All right, then now go back again. Then you now copy your MT5 number. This is your number, this one. All right, your number. All right, simple as that. Then you now try to paste the number in this particular area. You paste it. All right, then the password you create, You insert your password here. You insert your password you just create. All right, let me just do that right now. You can see I just log into that account right now. I just log into that account with zero. Let me just log in, and this is the account. All right, this is the account right now. I have logged into the account. The account doesn't have any money, so this is how you can just log into the account with just within 6 minutes. You are good to go. All right, so and this is the account. I've logged into the account. It's very, very simple. So this is how you can just operate with your MT5. Make sure you like this video and share it to others so that you can learn from this particular video. It's very, very simple and amazing video. So thank you for watching the video on how to use create. All right, simple as ABC. All right, this is the account that we create right now. The account has already been ready. The next right now is to just go to your app and deposit money to that particular account. But if you want to fund the account, your USD account, you click on this deposit icon. You click on deposit. Then you go to your either Naira. If you want to fund with Naira, we have the Naira. You have the anyone you want to go for. All right. So, but this is the if you want to fund with Naira, you can fund with Naira and whatever. Just make sure you check it and everything. But I normally use crypto to fund. I'll just click on this deposit again. I'll use crypto. I use either USDT BEP20. I normally go to for USDT. This one USDT BEP20. BEP20. I'll just fund it. All right. Then I will just try to go to this area and fund the account with BEP20. Simple as ABC. Just copy the wallet address given to you. I may not show you all this area. Then you fund the account. Simple. Then you start trading on your MT5. You start trading on your MT5 when the money reflected. It's that simple and easy on how you can use your MT4. Also MT5 is that simple. Then the money will start reflecting on this particular area. Then let me show you another thing on your MT5 right now. Another thing I want you to select and I want you to check. Maybe you want to be trading some specific pair. Come to this area and click on this one to delete all the one you don't want. Maybe you don't want all this pair. You want to just click on this one and delete everything. But you want to add like all this pair. I want to add GPP USD, GPP USD. I will add it. I want to add Euro USD. I want to add Euro USD. Euro USD. I will add it. I want to add USD JPY. USD JPY. I will add it. I want to add gold. SAUSD. You can see. I'll add it. So these are my recommended pair. You can see I've already added what? I've already added gold, USD JPY, Euro USD, GP USD, so on and so forth. That's are my recommended pair. Then if you want to buy, you after your analysis, you know, but the market is closed for today. So this is basically you need to just understand about how to use MT5 or MT4. It's the same thing and how you can create an account. So this video I've already helped you guys. Make sure you share it to people, like and share. Bye for now.